Hey girl, hey, nice to have you back. As you see me getting my materials together, know that this entire project is completely customizable. I know my type A girls want the exact yarn size I use, the exact needles, but girl, it's not necessary. Use whatever you have. This is really good for scrap yarn if you have a few skeins left and the needles that work, and grab any book and you get to use your measurements. If you want, you can make a little swatch and measure it, but it's not necessary. Really, you can just knit this and kind of gauge it on the book. Okay, girl, eventually you will come to row 3 where you will knit the first stitch like normal, and then we have a repeat. So you yarn over, then slip one stitch off of your needle and the other, and then you go back into those two stitches and knit them. This is a slip, slip, knit. As you will see, I am struggling. I'm on the struggle bus because, big tip for you, do not purl your stitches so tight. I purled so tight that, oof, I struggled this row trying to slip, slip, knit. You want to make this a little bit looser because this is a lace pattern. It's okay to purl a little bit freer, and that's something I learned as I went in this project, but I want to save you the headache because this first row was testing me. Luckily I passed, but when you yarn over, we're creating a stitch, and when we slip, slip, knit, we're decreasing. So you still should have the same number of stitches you started with, but we're making little holes, little lace knit that will make this the open honeycomb stitch. just a simple 4-row repeat. I have switched colors 3 different times, starting with the darker color on bottom, going all the way up until white to create that ombre look. And you can do that, or you can keep your colors the same. Honestly, super customizable. And it really works up nice and quick because it's lace. Those holes create space. So it's a really easy project that you can do. I finished it in one day. And when you switch colors, make sure that you switch colors on row 4. So after you do your knit one, yarn over, slip, slip, knit, repeat thing, then row 4, switch your colors. Honestly, you could switch colors at any time, but I think it looks best switching colors at row 4. And it's really easy if you knot the two colors together because there's less to sew in. And girl, you know how I feel about sewing in all those threads all the time. It can just be a lot. So do that. And then you'll have a cute little cover customizable for your specific book.